Alright, I'm gonna change. I got this faucet, a new faucet from the TikTok shop. I'm going to change this one that is already broken. So let's see. I show you how it's gonna look with the new one. Alright, this is gonna be very simple. Just you know, close your water. I already closed this one and this one. This is the hot one and this is the cold water. Always put a little container underneath at the bottom for the water to drips. And with one wrench, just loosen a little bit here, and then the hot and cold water is disconnected. Now you need to focus in the faucet that is attached to the countertop, to the sink. I mean, yeah, to the sink. All right, I already disconnect that one. And just for the people who doesn't know, this little ball here is the weight. This one is gonna put the weight back for this thing to move back and forth. So this one, you see, this is you just open it like that, and that's it. We open like this. Okay, it's very simple. All right, this is ready to go. So the reason I share with you this is because I was looking in the Home Depot for a new faucet, and all I got over there is a faucet like this. I get it for more than $180, $180 or $200 for a faucet like that. But in TikTok, I get it for something like $30 to $40. So I'm gonna share this one with you. So if you're planning to get a new faucet, get it from the TikTok shop, because it's gonna be less expensive than the traditional hardware stores. All right, now this is nice and clean now. This thread. Okay, how you call this? Pipes. Okay, all these cords need to be in there first, all of them. Okay, just like that, all of them. All right, it's all in. Okay, now we need to go underneath and start working. We need to attach this one first. Now everything is in. I have this one. It goes first, this, and then this right here. So you put this one. You grab this, and you put this little plastic through everything. Like that. Like that. All the way, even this one right here. Okay, even this one right here, you can bend it, because remember, this one is just for the weight. Okay, like that. You see, all the way to over there. You see, all the way until touch the sink. And then you're gonna do the same thing with this one. Okay, I'll show it a little bit. Okay, it's secure now. Okay, don't go too crazy. Just as soon as you touch it, the limits, tie it a little more, and that's it. Don't go too crazy. Now it is solid. It's going nowhere. The hot and cold connection to that one. Okay, very simple one. Okay, the same thing for your water connections. The heat and the cold water, just don't over tight. Just go easy on them. As soon as you feel like it's already touching the limits, push it a little bit more and stop. Don't do more than that, because you can damage the thread and then you're gonna have leaks. All right, that one is complete. The sink is attached to the faucet. The water are connected. And now I'm gonna put this weight, okay, to make this one steady like that. Should be like that. Okay, it doesn't have weight, so we need to add it. So we're gonna use this one right here. So the new one is a little bit annoying because it has the these screws that we need to remove to open it. This one was easy, just the little clip here and open. But this one you need to use your screwdriver or your drill. Alright, yeah, that one opened the thing. It's annoying, but we have to use it. Alright, I put it both. Just make sure to put it in the right side, because first I put in this one and didn't pull nothing out, down. It wasn't coming, it was leaving this one very loose. So I check which one is moving. When I pull this one, I find out that was the back one, that one, the last one. So I put all the weight in that one, so I get this result. Okay, nice. Now I'm gonna open the waters and let's check for the leaks. Okay, let's see, the cold water first. A little bit. There we go. Just remember, if you don't feel comfortable doing this, you can contact and call your professional plumber. I don't reach that one. I need to. Hold on, give me 1 second. Now the hot water all the way. Okay. Check for leaks. There is no leaks. So far. I'm gonna open the water. Let's see. I'm gonna call the cold water first. Wow, it's very strong. Wow. Oh my goodness. And this is the exact same as the Home Depot one that is almost $200. It's exact the same. It's amazing. Let's see. Very strong. You can see. It's strong. Very strong. I like this one though. Now the hot water. Yeah, it's working now. Nice. All right. Okay, it's working. I believe there is no leaks. All right. All done. Have a good day.